So hey guys, welcome back and welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the where clause, what is meant by the where clause and why it is used. Everything we are going to see all about the where clause. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video and let's talk about the where clause. Okay. So first of all, the where clause is used to filter the data. Okay. So it is used to extract only those records that are fulfilled with a specified column. Okay, the where clause is used to extract only those records that are fulfilled with a specified condition. Okay, so here is a simple condition. We will go through the SQL and just we will check out. Okay, so first of all I will show you the table. Okay, here is the table. So in the table I want to use the condition. I want to filter the data. Like example, I want to know the names of the person whose salary is above 50,000. Okay, so here I have used the condition. As here you can see, select name from employees table in which the salary is above 50,000. Okay, so this is how the query look like this and just looks like this, and just simply run the query, and here you can see that yeah, there are the two persons whose salary is above 50,000. Okay, so here is the names of the two persons as the Michael and the David. Okay, so these are the two persons whose salary is above 50,000. Okay, so this was all about the where clause. Okay, so now we are going to see about the operators. What are the operators in SQL? Okay, so first of all, in the SQL, reserved words and characters are called operators, which are used with a where clause in SQL query. Okay, so there are the most used operators are like arithmetic operators, as we know about the, like example, addition, subtraction, modulus, division, multiplication. These are the arithmetic operators. And if we talk about the comparison operators, so comparison operators are like equal to, not equal to, which is present like this in the SQL, and greater than symbol, less than symbol, and the greater than equal to symbol. Okay, and there are the logical operators. Okay, like and, or, not. Okay, these are the three operators which are used commonly in the SQL in the logical operators. Okay, so and the fourth one is about the bitwise operator. As we know about the bitwise operators are like and, or. Okay, so the and symbol is like this and or symbol is like this. Okay, so this was all about the operators and the where clause in the SQL. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.